Beluga whale is an Arctic species of whale. They're found off the coasts of Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, and Norway. They're very unique whales because they have a number of adaptations that allow them to survive in an Arctic environment. They're very blubbery animals. Everyone might be familiar with their white color from the Raffi Baby Beluga song. It helps them to camouflage in their icy and snowy Arctic environment. The primary goal of my research is to learn more about beluga reproductive biology. And what I'm aiming to do is to monitor reproductive behavior here at the Mystic Aquarium and align it to various physiological measures that will allow us to understand more about beluga reproduction, including ultrasounds and everyone's favorite, the whale snot. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working directly with the training and veterinary staff here at the Mystic Aquarium to collect a number of samples. First, we're going to be collecting a blood sample, and the veterinarians are going to be collecting this, and the whales are trained to do this voluntarily. So they're going to lay out and present their tail flukes to the trainers, and the flukes are a great place to draw blood from a whale because they have a lot of blood vessels close to the surface of the skin in their tail. So the veterinarian will be able to draw a blood sample, and I'll be able to store that sample and later on analyze it for hormone levels. And then within the same training session this morning, I'll be collecting that sample of whale snot. And that will allow me to go back eventually and compare the levels of hormones in the blood to the level of hormones in the snot. And hopefully they'll correlate and allow us to have a very powerful research tool. Ultimately, we can use this sample collection technique in the wild because it's minimally invasive. You don't have to catch the animal. You don't have to hold on to it. You don't have to poke or prod. You just have to be close enough to capture and exhale. And really that's going to be key for monitoring endangered populations where being able to catch them is a legal impossibility. So it would really open up research avenues that otherwise wouldn't be available. The great part about my research is that it's a little bit of a collaboration between the University of Rhode Island and the Mystic Aquarium, so that I can draw on the experience and the expertise of all the marine mammal staff here at the Mystic Aquarium, as well as the materials and the expertise that are available at the University of Rhode Island. So it's working out perfectly for me because it's really the best of both worlds.